Recording the sewer line here today at 907 8th Street South, Kirkland. 507, excuse me. 507 8th Street South in Kirkland. July 15th, 2020 is the date. Recording this from the clean out access installed here in the corner of the yard. Looking right now about 135 some odd feet down the line. We're going to pull back from here. I'm well out into the main at this point. We're going to pull back. I'll show you where we drop into the main. Right there's one of the connections of the neighboring houses into the main. I'll show you where we drop into the main, and then we'll just come back from there. Now, I believe that's where we're dropping into the main. This is a 90-degree turn down there, but I'm going to keep coming back here. Tie in there, coming back into clay now. So that was SDR 35 plastic we were running through. Now jumping back into clay. I'm going to zero out our footage just so I can get a footage length of this clay line. There's a connection there on the right side of the screen. We're coming out of the 6-inch line there and coming back into this 4-inch line. And back up out of the clean out there. So here's us coming up out of the clean out. Showing where we are here on the property. There is the clean out access I'm getting in here from, down here in the corner in the backyard area. And the recording there.